Hello, 7th graders. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. This is your malevolent leader, Mr. Mortensen, and I am getting some outside training. But I hope you'll find this video helpful. It's been a long time since I posted something for you guys on YouTube, so let's get right down to it. Today, what I'm expecting you to do is be able to evaluate an expression. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about this, and keep in mind, this will be your first set of notes in the new notebook. Check. Keep in mind, this is a big chunk of your grades, so make sure you're taking full advantage of that. If you need to, I want you to look right over in that area. Okay, you know where I'm pointing. Right over by the hand-in bin, you'll see a lovely stack of notebooks. If you gave me yours, it is over there. If you also need scratch paper, it is still in that same area over there-ish. Yeah, you get the idea. It's over there. Go get some. And be ready for notes. Keep a hold of this. It is numbered, so you need this. This is for your notes. With that, we're going to talk about evaluating expressions. Everybody here should be able to do that by the end of this video. When it comes to evaluating, let's think about that. I evaluate you. I give you grades. I say, okay, I evaluate you, so I just basically kind of take all the little components that you give me. I take your tests, I take your assignments, and I take your quizzes, jumble it all together, and pop out a result for you. In essence, we are going to do the same thing with expressions. We are going to start out by being given some type of expression, like say, we'll just have an expression of x plus 2. Okay, that part is generally just given to you. It's given some letter. What are letters doing in math? And a number. Okay, and then all of a sudden they say, well, tell me what it is when x equals 8. Okay, all they're saying is plug in an 8 wherever there was the x. So for this one, that literally just means we go 8 plus 2. What's that equal? What does that equal? What does it equal? Well, dear friends, that's just equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is easy. Should be. Alright? Then they'll possibly check something else that is. X is equal to negative 7. Oh no. Okay, negative 7. Put that in wherever your x was. So, negative 7 plus 2. What is that? What is that? If you're saying negative 9, then no! Okay? We went back 7, forward 2. Simply means that we are at negative 5. Back 7, forward 2. We are negative 5 in the hole. We are catching up. Alright, let's try one more in this case. Suppose I say x is equal to 2. Wait a minute. What happens? Put a 2 in for the x. And then, not equal. Let's try that again. You know, I do know how to write right now. Okay, 2 plus 2. What's that equal? Now, there's probably some of you go, wait, what 2 is which? I'm going to underline that. Okay? Remember, our x was a 2, so the one that I just underlined, we put that 2 into the equation, into our expression, and then we had another 2 that we were just adding on to it. That just equals 4. Alright, I'm going to give you guys one practice set here, and then we are going to talk about one other concept today. So, let me give us a little bit of room here. Suppose I give you a new expression, and I say x minus 3. Okay, that is your expression. There it is. Dun dun dun. Okay, and I want to know what happens when x equals 8, what happens when x is equal to negative 4, and what happens when x equals 3. Alright, now I want you to pause the video. I want you to try this before I just show you what to do. Alright, did you pause it? Did you pause it? Did you do it? Did you do it? I'm going to trust that you did. Alright, it's going to be 8 minus 3. Notice, just wherever x was, that's where we put in our value. That is equal to 5. Negative 4 minus 3. That gives us -7. Went back 4, went back another 3. That's how we got there. Okay. And in this last case, we get 3 minus 3. That gives me a 0. All right. With that, I'm going to go ahead and say there is what we need to know for expressions. All right. Hopefully you all took a little bit of a thought here. Remember, what does it mean to evaluate? We are going to put in all of our inputs. We're going to take all of our data, and then we are just going to come up with something that we can chuck out. All right. Same way that I evaluate your grades. I say they got this for tests, this for quizzes, this for assignments. This person deserves an A. All right. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and hopefully you enjoy our lovely little assignment. Basically, we will just be doing this.